Today we are going to talk about aortic stenosis. I am Dr. Vivek Kumar, Senior Consultant Interventional Radiology, Indraprastha, Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi. Aortic stenosis is the disease of the aortic valve. Aortic valve is the main valve through which the blood comes out from the heart and goes all over the body. So a narrowing in this valve leads to decreased blood supply to all of our body organs, as well as it increases the burden on the heart. It has to work more to pump the blood out. So this disease increases with age and we call it a degenerative aortic stenosis. The symptoms are easy fatigability, chest pain, shortness of breath, and in most severe cases, patient can have sudden loss of consciousness that we call syncope.